Welcome back, WinMax Academy. Today we discuss class 11 solutions. Question number 6 is 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus 5I by 2. That implies, so we observe in the bracket of 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5. LCM is 5. Numerator is 1 plus I2 or 2I minus, here LCM is 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 5I. That implies, so the LCM is 5 2s are 10. So the numerator is 2 plus 4I minus 8 plus 5I into 5, that equal to 2 plus 4I minus 40 minus 25I by 10, that equal to minus 38 minus 21I by 10. We arrange standard form of complex number, that is minus 38 by 10 minus 21 by 10I. మన పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే సింప్లిఫై చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 టేబుల్లో minus 38 by 10 అనేది 19 by 5 టైమ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, minus 21 by 10I is the standard form of complex number AIB. Here real number is minus 19 by 5, imaginary value is minus 21 by 10I. So the next question, 7th one, is 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus of minus 4 by 3 plus I. That implies, here LCM is 3, the numerator value is 1 plus 7I plus, here LCM value is 3, numerator value is 12 plus I minus of minus 4 plus 3I, because here LCM is 3. That implies 1 plus 7I plus 12 plus I, the total LCM value is 3, minus by LCM 3, my numerator is minus 4 plus 3I, so the total LCM value is 3. Now the numerator is 1 plus 7I plus 12 plus I plus 4 minus 3I. సో న్యూమరేటర్ వాల్యూ మనం సింప్లిఫై చేసినట్లయితే, సో కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఈజ్ 1 plus 12 plus 4, so total constant is 70, that means real value, plus imaginary values is 7I minus 3I is 4I plus I is 5I is the imaginary value by 3. It converted as a standard form, that is 17 by 3 plus 5I by 3. Here real value is 17 by 3 and imaginary value is 5 by 3. Now we are going to 8th question, that is 1 minus I whole power 4. We can write 1 minus I whole power 4 is 1 minus I whole square, that equal to, we can write 1 minus I whole square is A minus B whole square, that equal to 1 square plus I square minus 2 into 1 into I whole square, that equal to 1. I square is minus 1 because already we discussed I square is minus 1. So now we substitute in the place of I square is minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus, here we will observe minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into I is minus 2I whole square, that equal to, so here minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, remaining minus 2I whole square, that means 4I square, that equal to 4 into, here I square is minus 1 into minus 1, that equal to 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. We can write standard form of complex number is z equal to minus 4 plus 0 into I is the standard form of complex number. Now we discuss another very short answer, 9th one. So that is 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం రిప్రజెంట్ చేసే ఏ ఫార్ములాలా ఉంది అనుకుంటే ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్లా ఉంది. సో మేబీ మీ అందరికీ ఐడియా ఉంటుంది ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్. అదర్వైజ్ మనం ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ 3a square b plus 3a b square is the value or formula of a plus b whole cube. Here 1 by 3 is a, 3i is b. We can substitute the values a and b in the formula. That implies 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3i whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 3 whole square into 3i plus 3 into 1 by 3 into 3i whole square. Here 3 is cancelled, that implies 1 by 27 plus 27i cube plus 3 into 1 by 9 into 3i plus 3i whole square is 9i square. That implies 1 by 27 plus 27i square into I. We can write 27i cube as 27i square into I plus, here 3 table low 9 3 times, here 3 cancel, so remaining value is only I plus 9 into, here I square is minus 1, that implies 1 by 27 minus 27 I plus I minus 9, that equal to 1 by 27 minus 26I minus 9. So ఇక్కడ మనం సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే that implies 1 by 27 minus 9 minus 26I, that implies, so here real part LCM is 27, so the numerator value is 27 cancel, numerator value 1 minus 27 9s are 243 minus 26i, that implies 1 minus 243 is minus 242 by 27 minus 26i is the standard form of complex number. Now we discuss another very short answer. 10th one is minus 2 minus 1 by 3i whole cube. Again we discuss another formula, that is a minus b whole cube, that equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a p square. Here minus 2 is a and 1 by 3 is b. So we substitute in the given formula by the above values. That implies minus 2 whole cube minus 1 by 3 I whole cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole square into 1 by 3 I plus 3 into minus 2 into 1 by 3 I whole square. That implies minus 8 minus 1 by 27 I cube minus 3 into 4 into 1 by 3 I plus 3 into minus 2 into 1 by 9 I square. Here 3 table lo 9 3 times cancel avutundi and here 3 cancel. So the remaining values is minus 8 minus 1 by 27 I square into I. Here I cube we can write I square into I minus 4I plus minus 2I square by 3. Now we simplify. That implies minus 8 minus 1 by 27 into minus 1 into I minus 4I minus 2 into minus 1 by 3. That implies minus 8 plus 1 by 27i minus 4i plus 2 by 3. That implies minus 8 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 27i minus 4i. That implies, so here the LCM is 3. The numerator value is minus 24 plus 2 plus here LCM value is 27. The numerator value is I minus 27 4s are 108 I. That implies minus 24 plus 2 is minus 22 by 3 plus of minus minus I minus 108 is 107 I by 27 is the value of minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I whole cube. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.